Let's add an oil catch can to my 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Everything you need is included. Let's grab the hardware bag first. This kit is also universal for all Jeeps too. Makes this installation very easy and beginner-friendly too. Let's grab our fittings next. The kit includes 1/4 inch and all the up to 1/2 inch. Don't forget to add your supplied oil rings and thread tape. Let's grab our catch can next. Tight the fittings nice and snug. The kit even includes a mounting bracket too. Let's begin the fun part. Locate your intake line and prepare to pull. Feed your supplied hose underneath the intake manifold. Don't forget to tighten down. Follow that hose into your catch can and tighten down. Now add your next hose onto the catch can. Finally, install the supply hose into the intake fitting. This looks awesome. This kit also includes awesome air filter for your catch can. Let's remove the can to install our steel wall. This will filter all the hot vapor oil from going into the intake. This upgrade will make your engine run better and last a lot longer. Check the can every oil change and discard the oil. Stay tuned to the end on to how to find this product. Link will be in the comments.